Good morning, students. I myself, Dharamveer Singh, welcomes you on the behalf of Jai Somnath Primary School. Today we are going to learn English Standard 8, the beautiful poem that is Geography lesson. The poem is written by Zulfikar Ghosh, a great Indian poet. In this poem, the poet wants us to know that when we are looking the earth, when we have been traveling in the plane or in the jet, how the earth or the city where we live it looks like. A beautiful narration is being described by the poet that we are going to learn in this poem. So here the poem gets started. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. So here, when the poet is been traveling in the jet, as he reached above, he can look at the city and the country, that how the city has been created. Seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile, there seems inevitability. Inevitability means that cannot be avoided. Means the poet sees that why the countries are been making up the cities near the water, near the river, and how the city has been framed. About what's on the ground had looked haphazard. Haphazard means without plan. As slowly and steady, as the poet is been traveling more higher, he can look the city, that where the houses are made, it looks completely in the disorder. In the haphazard way, means it looks that the city is completely made without any plan. When the jet sprang into the sky, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, now when the jet has been moved to about the 10,000 feet, then it was clear why the country had cities where the river ran. Now here the poet can easily look at the country and he comes to know that why the countries are been developing the cities near the river side and why the valleys were populated. Along with that, he can easily come to know that why the people are prefer to live more near the rivers, because they get the adequate amount of water for the domestic purpose also and for the other use also. The logic of geography that land and water attract man was clear, delineated. Delineated means shown. So here it can be easily shown looking at the height of 10,000 feet. The poet get the clear idea that why the people are being attracted towards the land which are near the water side. When the jet rose 6 miles high. Now here when the jet, where the poet is been traveling, when he moves about the 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. When the poet has reached about 6 miles, now here the poet can easily see that the earth is completely round and the majority part of the earth is covered with water. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found cause to hate each other, to build a wall across the city and to kill from that height. It was not clear why. Now here the poet is saying that when he is about at the height of 6 miles high, he can look that the earth is round, the earth is completely, majority part of the earth is covered with water, but he cannot understand that why the people, why we the human beings have made up the border and why we are keeping on fighting with each other, because the earth looks very beautiful, but by the human creation, by creating the borders and by the fighting, it looks very shabby. So here the poet describes that we should try to live up in the peace. The earth is round and the majority of the part of the earth is covered with water, and why the human beings are been attracted towards the land which are near the river side. So the beautiful expression of the poet is being done in the poem.